This video from Casio Help, we're just taking a quick look at using the X-Report function via the ECR Plus smartphone app. So when you load up the app from the home screen, you have Remote XZ, and then to run an X-Report, once it's loaded the page, all you do is hit the top square, X-Read Report, click OK to confirm, and then basically wait for the app to force the report to happen. So the cache drawer fires as normal with an X-Report, and you get the report print out the front of the machine. Only thing to be aware of is an X-Report, although it looks exactly like a resetting Z report, it is only a read report, so it's showing you all the information, but it's not reset any of the data. So people generally use an X-Report maybe for a shift change to see how much money should be in the drawer at a current point of time, or to see how well you're doing in a given day. For more information on using the ECR Plus smartphone app and Casio cash registers in general, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, visit any of the video links that are appearing on screen now, or for full information check out casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.